guys, I am back with another video. This time I went to Abrisa Malls in Bajada for Makotech Expo. This was the first day, July 12. I will say this in advance, this video might not be very interesting cause I arrived there at around 1 p.m. and I went home at around 3 p.m. so it's not very that there's not much happened, and also this is the first day so not very much happened here. Most of the events are in the second day and the third day, so I do apologize in advance. Aside from the gaming, there's not much going on, so I went to National Bookstore and I was surprised by how many manga titles there are. There's even more than the NBS in Gmall Bajada and also SM Ecoland. I'm not sure about others, but yeah. Normally, I see Jujutsu Kaisen, Chainsaw Man, Demon Slayer, Hell's Paradise, My Dress Up Darling, One Piece, things like that, but here there's Frieren, Apothecary Diaries, and also Oshinoko. I was so shocked seeing Oshinoko. I know it's popular, I am a fan of it, but seeing the manga, the physical manga here, just so surprising. Like, wow, how far we've come, like seriously. I was about to go to a fast food chain, but seeing that, I'm just so surprised that no, I want to look at this first. Don't bother my hunger, rar.
Hindi ako pwede doon. Bahan ako. Sa atin.
Paling kagandang.
Din na?
Ingin ako.
To 12 po, ay 14 po.
Yan. Gani. Ay, gani sa gilid.
1K ba?
Bawal sa magklase. Hoy, may quiz pa kami. Bawal sa magklase. Ayaw i-take quiz. 40 items. Wala akong paki. Bawal. Bawal sa magklase. I am the law. I am the law that abides the void. Kita ka, Ani? Betray the law. Kita ka, Ani? Ano naman yung Ani? Oo. I am the law.
Ano mo na ba yung Pokemon cards? $10 each, B.
Jangan na, uy. Ay! Ay!
Pwede na ito, ilagay sa
No, kinemo. Ashley. Sa maliit ang bag. Nakita ko.
ito mga girlfriend. Lahi lang. Kabutang sa PC. Kabutang sa PC.
Pag ikampul, dagan mo ito.
Positive Alam, para lilipin na naninigawa ito gusto niya iharas sa problema. Yes, ang review pa din ang kawawan ng mga problema. Iya kita para sa rasul na mga iyon yung ito na ba si Sharon Queen Raymond so level 7 last seat. And the member spirit is on 7 as well. All good na sila. Right now, both teams are just outro na sila, part. Yes.
So yeah, that's it guys. I'm sorry it's not much. There's not much going on at all. So at 3 p.m. more and more cosplayers arrive, but there's still so few to be honest. But I have to go home cause it's quite far and unfortunately it was raining when I went out. So see you again next time. Bye!